So this I did manage to find. So in the Abhidharma, the Buddhists talk about, they analyze how thoughts arise. So we have things that are called thoughts, Vitakka, which are just like, it's like this Huta was saying the last session on Tuesday evening. She was saying that sometimes it feels like thoughts just kind of bubble up from below, and then there's some stuff from above that kind of meets it. And that's a good example of what we're looking at here. So when we're quite stable in our thinking mind, or when we're quite grounded and sort of watchful, we can sometimes spot that like a thought just bubbles up out of nowhere. You know, we're sitting on the, you know, being mindful of the anchor, for example, and then bloop, up comes this memory of Auntie Gladys's dentures from when you were a child. So suddenly, out of nowhere, completely kind of contextless, this bubble of memory or thought comes up from the depths of your mind, from in Buddhist psychology, from your store consciousness. And this is what they call a seed, or a vitakka. That's the seed that comes up. And then there's a secondary process which we could call thinking, vicara, which is, oh God, Auntie Gladys's dentures, poor woman, she probably, you know, I wonder how long she didn't have teeth for, and God, I wonder what dentures are like now, and maybe I'll have dentures, and da-da-da-da-da. And then you sort of go on. So you take the seed, the vitakka, and you turn it into thinking. And of course, if we were very mindful and watchful, or very aware of the process, we could probably leave all the thinking out, because it's the thinking that, you know, fills our mind. You know, the seed, Auntie Gladys's dentures, kind of would pop up, display their teethy presence for a few moments, and then go back, so that they would just show themselves and then dissolve in their denture cleaning fluid. So the seed thoughts, we notice, actually come and go. But thinking, the vitakka, the vicara, hangs around for a very long time. So we could be thinking about Auntie Gladys's dentures for a very long time, and it would probably start to join up with some familiar themes from our thinking minds of death, you know, illness, dentistry, whatever our particular kind of set of mind is. So this is what we're going to be exploring today, that seeing if we can notice what is a seed thought, what is a vitakka, and what is thinking, which is what is a vicara. So this is a useful prompt from Buddhist psychology. So I just wanted to share that first, because it's quite a difficult concept to share while we're meditating.